Got us 4 cans of French onion soup by Campbell's all together. Got us some vegetable oil. Got us some parboiled long grain rice here. You're gonna need you about 2 cups of that. And we got us here 2 ropes of our Hill chiffon beef sausage. You can use pork sausage or you can use turkey sausage. Yes, yes. Now let us get started. Now, as you all know, the first thing we want to do, we want to run our dishwater so we can hurry up and get everything all wiped down and clean and save ourselves some work. But this is Chef-O French onion casserole with sausage. This is the flip, like we heard last episode, to the French onion pasta. This was the recipe that inspired me to try to make the French onion pasta, even though it already existed. In my mind, it didn't, and I made it my way, and it came out awesome, so check that out. But old Mama Fo used to make this for Napoleon and Chef Fo and all us when we was little. So first you saw me get them 2 ropes of beef sausage there and cut them into coins, and I put about a tablespoon and a half of vegetable oil in the skillet, let it get all heated up. Come behind that there, and I add them coins. Now we want to saute them and cook some of that grease out of them, because as you know, these sausages carry their own oil. And no carry more oil than the beef sausage, as you're going to see here in a few minutes. But you want to cook that out. You don't want all that in your final presentation of your dish. Like I said, you can use turkey sausage, pork sausage, or beef sausage, or chicken sausage. It's up to you. We don't tell you what to do here on Chef-O. We just show you how we did it. And while you're doing this, preheat your oven to 375. This is French onion casserole with sausages. I'm just gonna call it French onion casserole. Look at that. Look at that oil. I'm holding that pan at a slight angle. Look at all that oil dripping off of there. You don't want that in your food, do you? So go ahead and scoop that out and set it on side on some paper towels. Let it catch some of that oil. You see my casserole dish here, got a nice deep one. And you want to get your 2 cups of rice too. And this is easy. We're done already. Now we done been draining that on top of some paper towel. We want to add that on there. Add that on in there. We got all 4 of our cans here of our French onion soup that we need for this casserole. Got onions in it, full of flavor. You don't need to add no additional seasonings unless you want to, but you don't need nothing, not no salt, not no black pepper, not no garlic, no onion, no sugar, unless you want to now. You can do what you want to, but you don't need nothing. Here we go with 2 cups of our long grain parboiled rice over the top. Get you a spoon and get that all mixed in and incorporated. Yes, yes, yes. And you got that oven preheated on 375. What you want to do is you want to put this here in the oven and let it cook for anywhere between 35 and 45 minutes. Some people say longer, but I don't think it take that. The rice is perfect and every grain be individually cooked and on their own in 40 minutes. So I say 35 to 40 minutes. Some recipes for this here out there will tell you to cook it an hour. But old Chef-O don't recommend that. No, old Chef-O don't recommend that. That rice will come out gummy, boy. Now look at that. And see, we're done here. It done been 40 minutes. You want to go to folding over your rice and fluffing it up and flipping it. And look at that. You got protein. You got meat all through that thing now. And this is good. And give it to your kids. Kids love this here. I don't know why they love this here. Yeah, old Chef-O don't know why kids love this here so much, but kids love this here. And try doing this here with other meats too. Try you some shredded up chicken. Get you a rotisserie chicken and put some chicken over in here. And then, be flexible with this thing. And here we go. Look at this here. Look at this here. Some French onion casserole here. Yes, yes, yes. Chef-O style with them beef sausage coins. Like, share, and subscribe. Y'all get the notification and hit that bell so y'all can stay tapped in as well. Oh, Chef-O love y'all. Yes, yes, yes. I'm out, baby.